Miss Cat is a delicate, stylish, and incredibly charming character who wins hearts at first sight. She is the star of the show with a vibrant personality and charisma. Her large, expressive head with huge blue eyes, delicate facial features, and soft ears creates the effect of a living doll that you simply cannot take your eyes off. The character looks like the heroine of a popular cartoon, the perfect image for a young audience. The outfit has been thought through down to the smallest detail. An airy dress with a shimmering layered skirt, soft fur trim, and delicate pink accents create a fairy tale and festive feel. The sash accentuates the silhouette, whilst the details shimmer in the light, making the look particularly striking in photos and videos. Lightweight and comfortable head design, excellent visibility and ventilation, comfort during prolonged wear, high quality, soft to the touch materials, quick to put on and take off, ideal for children's parties and birthdays, photo shoots and photo zones, entertainment and show programs, shopping centers and promotional events. Miss Cat is a character that children want to cuddle, take photos with, and play alongside. She is soft, kind, a little flirty, and very lively. She easily draws children into play and creates an atmosphere of real magic. With this costume, you get not just a character, but a powerful emotional magnet that makes any event vibrant, memorable, and truly profitable,